Aircon off AC-12 installation. This short video will give air conditioner engineers and qualified electricians a step-by-step guide of how to connect the Aircon off AC-12 to an air conditioner. Firstly, read the instruction manual that came with the Aircon off. Then, isolate the air conditioning from the main supply. There are typically two types of power supply for the air conditioner. The first is hardwired, and the second is supplied from a power socket. Okay, so this is the wiring diagram for a hardwired system where the power supply comes in from the rear of the air conditioner. First, find the permanent active power feed that supplies the air conditioner with power. In this unit, it's the red wire. So, now we've identified the permanent active power feed. Air conditioners normally have two cable entry points, either to the side of the head unit or just underneath. So you've got a choice of two positions for Aircon off, just to the side or just underneath. For this unit, we're going to fit it to the side. Next, install the back plate and introduce the connecting cable through the inlet port to the point of connection at the terminal connection block. Also, at this stage, while we have the front cover removed, should you wish to fit the tamper-proof infrared extension transmitter option, now's the time to do so. This will take the same path as your mains power supply. Then you should locate the infrared receiver on the air conditioner. We then position the extended infrared transmitter from Aircon off to a point where there is line of sight between the transmitter eye and the receiver. At the same time, ensure that this won't hinder the replacement of the front cover. Next, following the instructions, reroute the permanent active feed. This will go through the connecting cable into Aircon off, out of Aircon off, and back to supply power to your air conditioner. You'll see the active wire connects into terminal number 2 on Aircon off. Then return out of terminal 1 and back into the connection block where you first removed it from. The neutral connects to terminal 3. What you've really done is you've diverted the live power feed into Aircon off, out of Aircon off, and back into your air conditioner. The reason you're doing this is because Aircon off is going to measure the amount of electricity that your air conditioner is using to determine whether or not your air conditioner is running. If fitted, ensure that the infrared extension is correctly plugged into the Aircon off unit, and then fit the Aircon off onto the base plate using the supplied tamper-proof screws. Okay, the second way that your air conditioning could be supplied with power is from a cable run from the side of the head unit into a wall socket. As before, what we must do is divert the active feed into terminal 2 on Aircon off, coming out of terminal 1 and then continuing on to the air conditioner. The neutral from the wall socket will be connected to terminal 3, joining to the neutral from the air conditioning. The earth from the wall socket will be connected to terminal 4, joining to the earth from the air conditioner. Once that is complete, if fitted, ensure that the infrared extension is correctly plugged into the Aircon off unit and then fit the Aircon off onto the base plate. Now we've completed the installation and made all of the electrical connections, we can switch the power supply back on. You're now ready to set Aircon off up. The next video will provide a step-by-step guide to the setup process.